When two of the biggest names in the American automotive world team up, the result is bound to be something extraordinary. That's exactly what happened when Newmar, one of the leading names in luxury RVs, joined forces with Legacy Motor Club, led by co-owner and racing legend Jimmie Johnson. The result? A custom-built, one-of-a-kind King Aire motorhome, designed for LMC's travels and pit stops in the NASCAR world. This luxurious RV isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement piece combining racing heritage with unmatched comfort and style. The King Aire motorhome, starting at an MSRP of $1.6 million, is already a high-end model, but LMC's version is set to cost significantly more due to its customizations. The partnership between Newmar and Legacy Motor Club has resulted in an RV that reflects both the high-speed world of NASCAR and the opulence of a luxury motorhome. This collaboration isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making a statement and providing LMC with a mobile base of operations during their racing season. From the outside, the King Aire's bold design immediately grabs your attention. The RV features a striking gold and white decal against a black backdrop, showcasing the team's colors while ensuring a high degree of visibility. The two massive side awnings stretch the full length of the vehicle, creating a covered space that can be used for relaxing or team meetings. At the rear of the RV, Newmar has added an innovative cargo trailer, which functions as a mobile repair shop. The trailer, designed by ATC, includes a lift station to provide quick and efficient repairs, ensuring that LMC's team is always ready for action. Stepping inside the King Aire, it's clear that Newmar has designed a space that reflects the luxury and functionality LMC requires. The interior boasts an all-cream color scheme accented with shades of brown and pastel hues, creating a soothing and upscale ambience. The tinted windows ensure privacy for the team, keeping their race strategies and discussions hidden from prying eyes. One of the most striking features of the RV is the ceiling fixture, designed in an Art Deco style with semi-precious metals, which enhances the luxurious feel of the entire space. The layout of the King Aire has been designed with LMC's needs in mind. There's theater seating in front of a drop-down TV, providing an ideal setup for team meetings and relaxation. The massive galley kitchen includes a huge countertop, perfect for preparing meals and snacks during race weekends, and the four-person dinette offers ample seating for team members. Storage space is abundant, with cabinets and compartments designed to hold all the essential items the team might need while on the road. The rear of the RV is designed as a mobile meeting space, rather than a traditional bedroom. The space features opposing couches, allowing for collaboration and discussions. While the bedroom itself isn't clearly visible in the footage, it's clear that the King Aire is designed more for work and meetings than for rest. It's the ultimate mobile office for the Legacy Motor Club team, providing a comfortable and functional environment while they travel between races. This collaboration between Newmar and Legacy Motor Club isn't just about providing a high-end RV for the team. It's also a strategic move by Newmar to attract new customers by showcasing the incredible customization and luxury that their RVs are capable of. As Legacy Motor Club continues to rise in prominence within the NASCAR world, this collaboration is sure to generate interest in Newmar's products. If you're interested in seeing this incredible RV for yourself, keep an eye out for the Legacy Motor Club team during the ongoing NASCAR season. You might just get a chance to see this luxurious, multi-million-dollar motorhome up close, and who knows, maybe you'll find yourself inside too. For anyone interested in a piece of this luxury, contacting Newmar directly is a great way to start. But be ready for a significant investment. This is not your average RV, and neither is the price tag.